Hey guys, it's Mackenzie and welcome back to my channel, Cooking for Health. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe and click that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Today, just in time for American Thanksgiving, we will be making a super simple apple pie recipe. For this recipe, you will need 2 batches of my gluten-free, dairy-free, and refined sugar-free pie crust. I will leave a link to the video in the description box down below. You will be needing 1 for the top of the pie and 1 for the bottom. You will also need 6 sliced apples. If you don't feel comfortable peeling or slicing your apples, please get someone to assist you since you don't want to cut yourself. You will also need a 1/4 cup of tapioca flour, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and a 1/2 cup of maple syrup. To start, we are going to combine our tapioca flour and our cinnamon in a small bowl. This helps prevent the tapioca flour from clumping. In a large bowl, we are going to add our apples, and then we're going to pour in our tapioca and cinnamon mixture and stir it to combine. Now we are going to transfer our apples into our pie crust. Now here's the part that makes this recipe so simple. You're just going to take your maple syrup and drizzle it all over. Now for the more complicated part, we're just going to flip the top part of the crust on top of our pie and just gently peel back our parchment paper. If you have a few tears in it, that's completely fine. You can just kind of pinch them back together with your fingers. Then with a knife, we're just going to trim off the excess to help make the pie look prettier. Now with a little bit of water, we're just going to pinch the edges together to seal in all the yummy flavors. This next step is completely optional, but if you want to have a really pretty pie, you can either take a fork or a spoon and just gently press in a design. In order to allow the steam to escape while you're baking your pie, we're just going to cut some marks into the top of the crust. You can draw a design if you want. Here I decided to go and trace the 21 Pilots logo, a lightning bolt, and a triangle. Now we're going to bake our pie off at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 minutes or until the crust is golden brown.
The crust is really flaky. Let's see. That's really good, Matt. The crust is nice and flaky, and it's sweet, but not too sweet. It's great, sweetheart. This is an excellent apple pie.
Thank you for watching my video. If you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe and click that notification bell so you never miss a new video. And don't forget, you can leave a comment down below to give me suggestions on what I should make for future recipes. See you next time, bye!